GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communications, and it is a standard for digital cellular communication used in mobile phones and other wireless devices. It is one of the most widely used technologies for mobile communication and has played a pivotal role in shaping the modern mobile telecommunication industry. GSM was developed as a standard in the 1980s by the European Telecommunications Standards Institute, ETSI. It was designed to replace the analog cellular systems that were prevalent at the time with a digital technology that offered better voice quality, enhanced security, and more efficient use of the radio spectrum. Key features and characteristics of GSM include digital technology. GSM uses digital modulation techniques, which enable more efficient use of the radio spectrum compared to analog systems. Time division multiple access. TDMA GSM employs a TDMA scheme, where multiple users share the same frequency band by dividing it into time slots. Each user is allocated a specific time slot for transmitting and receiving data. International roaming. One of the major advantages of GSM is its global compatibility. GSM networks are widely available across different countries, allowing users to roam and use their mobile devices in various parts of the world. SIM cards. GSM introduced the concept of subscriber identity modules, SIM cards, which store subscriber information, contacts, and other personalized data. Users can easily move their SIM card between compatible devices, making it convenient to switch phones without losing their data. Security. GSM implemented encryption algorithms to enhance the security of communication, making it more difficult for unauthorized parties to intercept and decode conversations. Voice and data services. While initially designed for voice communication, GSM evolved to support data services, enabling features like SMS, short message service, MMS, multimedia messaging service, and basic mobile internet access. Evolution to 3G and beyond. GSM served as the foundation for subsequent generations of mobile technology, including 3G, UMTS, and 4G, LTE. These advancements brought higher data speeds, improved multimedia capabilities, and enhanced network efficiency. GSM's widespread adoption and influence laid the groundwork for the modern mobile communication landscape, enabling the development of smartphones, mobile apps, and a wide range of innovative services. While newer technologies like 5G have emerged, GSM still plays a significant role in many parts of the world, especially in areas where advanced network infrastructure might not yet be available.